Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, nice day out here today. It's probably about 60 in the 60s today. Unseasonably warm for this time of year. Well, we're going to go through a cold spell this week and all this stuff, but I wanted to show you something my girlfriend picked up the other day, and I got to fix up for her. She lives about 30 minutes from me, but she has 2 acres of property. We bought 2 riding lawnmowers before, and we're going to fix up, and I fixed one of them up. It's a Craftsman with 14 horsepower engine on it. It's alright. It runs. It's got its little flaws I still got to work on, but she found something a little bit better the other day, and I had to go pick it up for her. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you what all she got here. So this is what she's got here. It's a husqvarna. I'm sitting in my trailer right now. Husqvarna with a 54-inch deck. Good shape lawnmower here. If you guys want to. Put this seat. There's model serial number here. I'm not sure of the age of it. She has the key right now and stuff, but the guy said it runs, but not all that great. It would cough and sputter, which I think it's carburetor issue. This is the size engine that's in it. It's an intact V-twin with 24 gross torque. He said the battery wasn't all that great either. It needs to be charged up, so I'll have to put it on there. It's got a little bit of corrosion on there too. One thing I noticed, got a lot of grease. So hopefully enough it's not a seal leak and all that. I did check the oil. It is low. It's like it down to the bare minimum. So I'm gonna have to put some oil in this thing before we ever try to run it and all that. I have not checked the air filter yet on it. Like I said, she's got the key on it. And the guy said the headlights work and all. I mean, it's gonna clean up good. The tires are a little worn. Need air, but still got some tread still. And all that. I had to take the deck off in order to get it in my trailer though, because it would not fit. My trailer is only a 4x8 and all that, so it's nice. Here, headlights work. All the information on the sticker with everything. So if I need to find anything, 64 ounces of oil, huh? Okay. So, and one neat feature it's got on it, it's got a DC outlet. So if you need to charge your phone while you're driving, mowing grass, or nice feature too. So yeah, she's wanting to look for a better mower, so probably gonna be ending up fixing the other 2 up and selling for her, or she wants to sell. She only paid $250 for this mower. Very nice. Blades are in good shape from what I saw. Can't see it from where it's sitting in the deck here. There. I don't think there's any gas in here. Okay, there is gas in here. Okay. Okay. 7 height adjustments. Got the parking brake. Got cruise too. Chokes up here. PTO clutch. Unfortunately, not the battery's dead, so I can't tell you how many hours it's got on it yet. So I got the task of cleaning this up for her and fixing it so it's usable, because she's got 2 acres of land to cut. So I gotta get this ready for her by the time the spring hits along. So this one might be a future video I'll show also. Well, like I said too, it's in nice condition. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's in good condition. Here, I'll have to show you the other one she has. There too. There's the other tire. It's kind of wore out for wear. Also, oh wait a minute, one more thing I need to show you. It's actually in my car here. The guy who owned it before we bought it off this other person, he kept records of everything he'd done. Here, let me move my son's backpack out of the way. He's got where he took it the replacement parts and ordered stuff. I'm gonna block off his stuff here, at least try to. Where he ordered a anti-sway bar here. Also, that's my glove. There's some pieces here. This is supposed to be for the gas tank. Here, he said the piece broke off, but it don't look like it did. He said he had some belts and hoses. He kept records of everything he did to it. Also, I guess this an operator's manual too, which is very nice to have, so it helps me out trying to figure out everything. That's the model number right there, yth2454. Yeah, 2008, huh? So it's a 2008. That's about the same year as my vehicle. But he kept paperwork, owner's manual to it, and he kept extra belts and switches. I think there's a switch. I'm not sure what this is yet. Looks like a washer. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys this here. Like I said, I'm gonna be working on this one for my girlfriend here. So that's a quick little video on this. I still haven't got to those other mowers yet. I posted a video on a few days ago back. It's probably been a week back now, but yeah, she saw this and she said, I can't pass up on a deal like this. Like I said, it's in nice shape. I still gotta do some work on it. Lights supposedly work on it, but the battery needs to be charged up, so I'll have to charge it up and stuff. Underneath, the deck was good. Deck was in good shape. 3-blade system, so it's gonna work out good for her property. So just a little quick video of this mower here, and I'll probably put a video up on when I work on it and sort out the issue with it. So, you know, like you said, the guy said he started up, it would run, it would act like it was starving for fuel. So either the carburetor's dirty, like I said, the carburetor's probably dirty on it, which I think the carburetor is, it's one of those in the, I think it's in the front there and all that. But I'm check the, being nosy real quick. I'm going to check the air filter out and see what's going on here. And all that. Oh good, it's got the pre-filter on it. Filter's not in bad shape. Okay. I was just curious. I'm probably gonna have to take the carburetor off and clean it and all that. That's no big deal, so I'm not worried about that. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys this video on here. I'll probably I don't know if I'll post a video on it yet. I don't know. She still thinks I'm weird that I'm doing videos on my repairs, but it's a hobby. I like doing it and working on my own. I'm working on cars also, so best of both worlds. So I'm gonna sign off here for now, so stay tuned. I'll probably post this video up when I start working on this. So in the meantime, I'll see you guys on the next one.